over here, they might have ordered. Have you ordered? No. Okay. If they order, the smell which will be there. So my nose will activate that, and I'll say, हाँ. Without saying, I'll say, हाँ, pav bhaji mangaya. Right? So this, without seeing, and because though we have already been into that, we have smelled that dish previously. Yes, right. I just move ahead. Yeah. Now, as we mentioned here, these are the different aspects. Now, if somebody tells you to memorize all this and put up, with a technique you can memorize each square, but without, there are some instances wherein maybe you don't know the name. So you need to create, so that they are abstract images. So how abstract images can be converted into different ways. Now 7, if suppose there is only one 7, so it's okay, you can just tell that it's 7. But if it's completely filled of figures, then what will happen? It will be very difficult for you, right? Yeah. Now this is a very good exercise. This is, can anybody tell me what is this? Origami. So this activity, there are many benefits of origami. This is a very good exercise wherein with the help of folds, one, your concentration level increase, your focus increases, you get habit to do a perfectionist, because you have to match those two corners. If the corners are not matched, you will not get beautiful results. So you have to match. There are 12 different techniques for different types of folds. If you learn those 12 techniques, you will be able to do whatever you want. You think of the item and you will be able to do that into origami with the use of your common paper. No investment into paper. Your newspaper, you can just cut and do whatever you want. Yeah. Now this is a small exercise which normally I do with people. Now these are the black, blue. Now the right brain tries to say the color, and the left brain tries to read the color. Now saying the color and reading the color, two different aspects. Now I read the color, black, white, green, yellow, red, blue, green, aqua, pink, yellow, green, yellow, red, yellow, tan, white. See how fast we go when we read. But if I tell you now, shall we do the exercise? Anybody of you? Just use your right brain now to say the color, what color it is. Now the black color, that is a red color. So you need to say red, don't say black. Anybody? Now this one, your left brain tries to read the color. Yeah? Now this, whatever I have written, black, white, green, yellow, I am reading what the alphabets are. But this is the activity of our left brain. Whatever is written, we read it. But the right brain is a creative brain. So right brain, if I tell you, don't read as black, but read the color what it is. The color is red, no? Can anybody try it? So if you practice such type of exercises, you are now what you are doing, communication between the right and the left brain. So this is a novel exercise, wherein you can help your brain to use your right side also and left side also. Yeah. Now, as I told you, right and left brain. So right brain helps you into all these activities, the rhyme, the oldness, the daydreaming, the imagination. Dreaming also, we see various dreams, we see pictures. So that is the activity of the right brain activity. I'm sorry, I think I'm a little bit in between. Okay, so here, then the left brain helps you to logical thinking, analysis, as to how to analyze things, how to list the things. It is said that you can remember 7 numbers or 7 words at a time. Okay, if there are more, then it is a little bit difficult. You need to apply techniques for it. Now if I give you a list of 7 items, you'll be able to remember. But if I give you a list of 10 items, it will be difficult for you to remember. Or maybe 1-2 item we will not bring. Suppose I give you a list for a grocery to bring. Maybe you will forget 1 or 2 items. 7 items you will be able to remember. Now our mobile numbers, they are 10 digits. But do we remember that 9833401292? When we tell others, what we do? We chunk it. When I tell my number, 9833 401 292. So what I have done, in 433, I have chunked it. So when we chunk it, we are able to remember in a huge numbers. So this chunking and creating an image of that numbers, that will help you to generate that habit of recalling the numbers. Okay, our biorhythmic cycles. Okay, biorhythmic cycles, the day we are born, this biorhythmic cycle has been scheduled. There is software also you get on the net, which is free of charge. You can download that software and you can check for yourself. Nobody can say that it's 100%, but definitely you can get a little bit idea as to what this biorhythmic cycles can. There are many parameters. These are just a few: physical, emotional, intellectual. These are just a few cycles. There are various other factors which governs our life. So these factors, this physical energy, maybe the graph is on high. So maybe one day you get up in the morning and you say, oh, today I don't feel like going to office, or maybe I don't feel like going outside. So your energy cycle is on the lower side. Maybe in the afternoon when you have lunch, okay, now I feel better. Now I'll run. You tell me anywhere, I'll come. So then in the afternoon your physical life cycle gets onto a ready stage. So these life cycles, every day these life cycles, their cycles change. So the change also, physical energy 23 days. They change after 23 days. Emotional energy 28 days. So like this, if you just download that software, you will come to know. Yeah, biorhythmic cycles. Yeah, these cycles, every day it goes on changing. It is completely based on the day we are born. So the day we are born, if you put in this software, if you put your date of birth, then it will give your cycles. As to today, suppose today is 10th of February 2011. So today what is my position? Maybe today I may be active in the morning, maybe afternoon I may feel a little bit, today I feel a little bit lazy, or I don't feel like taking sessions, or I don't feel like moving from here. I'll just take a rest over here. Maybe too exhausted, or maybe not feeling. So that feeling, your biorhythmic cycle calculates all these things. After 23 days it changes. Yeah, every person has his own way of cycles. Yeah. On the base of that cycle, yeah, that will give you. Yeah. Yes, because this you cannot say it's actually really it will happen like this way. It can give an indication. Yeah, changes. What happens? What happens after 23 days? Now suppose my physical is I am okay in the morning. Okay, after 23 days, maybe that cycle may change. It's not compulsion. Normally it changes ratio wise. So maybe after 23 days. Okay, see not, I got your point. Suppose today is the 1st of February. I'll just take an example. Today is 1st of February. My physical cycle is very good, on very good side. Okay, and the day pass, the ratio is changing. Maybe not 100%, 70, 60, 20. Yeah, not 20, but it will fluctuate between 50 to 100 because I am physically I am very active. Maybe you are, suppose you are working. So during your project timings, you are very active. So that time your cycle is very active. So maybe after 23 days, you may feel that my physical, till yesterday I was okay. But today I don't feel like working as yesterday. So at that time you should analyze that your cycles have changed. So normally it changes after 23 days, maybe it goes poor or it may maintain the same way. I'm not saying that it will go low. It's not fixed. But after 23 days some changes happen. Our internal biorhythmic cycle changes. It's a very big subject. It's not my subject. I just wanted to put forward some important aspects for your benefit. Yeah. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of demonstrations. Okay. Now this is Akshay Chakra. Now this is through technique. I'm going to do such I'm putting some digits which will give that any. If you calculate the squares, the straight squares or the diagonal squares, the number will remain same. Can you give me any number between 36 and 98? Any even number. I'll make that number. Anywhere you add, you will get the same number. Yes. Even or odd doesn't matter. Or no, not odd, only even. 36 and 98. 38 and 94. 5050. Okay. Okay, great. Sorry? Yeah. Now I'll put the numbers. You will just come to know how. Just give me 2 minutes. This is a plain paper, or if anybody wants to give me a paper, I am ready for that. So there is nothing written on this. Okay. Just calculate this four numbers. They are 50. This also you calculate is 50. Is it 50? What is this thing now? Okay. Now if you see, this way also it is 50. This way also it is 50. This way also it is 50. This way 50. If you see diagonally also it is 50. If you take this 8, 10, 14, 5, that is also 50. Sorry. No, not that. Okay. Or this diagonally also, if you can see, that is 50. Odd numbers will not come. Okay. So this is through technique. Okay, we'll move a little bit forward now. Now, this normally I do it to students. They are the states. So students, they normally don't remember. Now when I ask the students, they are not able to give all the 22 states or whatever the states and the union territories are there. So how you can make it that we will just go a little bit ahead. Now these are the 20 numbers. Okay. Now these I have memorized. You can ask me the number. I can give you what is the word. If you give me the word, I can tell you the numbers.
Dictionary.
Dictionary, yeah. It's 10. Don't tell me if it is wrong. If it is wrong, you tell me. Don't tell the. Is it right?
What number?
Dictionary is 10. No. Okay. Sorry. Just a minute. Can we move forward a little bit? Yeah.
Wallet.
Wallet. Yeah. 13. Anybody else? Umbrella. Umbrella is 9. You can ask me the number also, I can give you the table. Okay. 5.
11.
Newspaper. No? 11, wait. Yeah. Just skipped off. Yeah. 18. Spear. Pepsi is 15. 10. Yeah, just one at a time. 10. Okay. Is it calendar? No. Calendar is 20. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Any other? 16. 1 6. And that is newspaper.